Just relax, take a breath, and really feel it. We are alive, and that in itself is something amazing. We worry so much about everything, trying to control, overthink, and micromanage every detail, even though most things are never really in our control. And honestly, worrying doesn't change a thing, it only steals our peace, our joy, and the moment we could be laughing or appreciating what we really have. It, do you feel or not? Be grateful. You have so much to be thankful. Life is so beautiful, and the journey is beautiful. Even those moments when you feel confused, when you feel lost or unsure of what's next, that's where you grow. That's where the real adventure happens. If life were predictable with no risk or mystery, it would be boring. We all need a bit of uncertainty. It brings excitement, it keeps life interesting. Because when you finally push through the hard parts and reach the hilltop, and when you look back at everything you have survived, all the challenges you have overcome, isn't it? Many challenges, maybe. That's the feeling makes it worthwhile. And when you turn back and when you see the next mountain ahead of you, there's a part of that whispers, I am ready. I am ready. Not freezing in fear over the things you can't control. So as you move forward, whether it's in your new chapter or just through your day, do it with a smile, beautiful smile. Now experience tears of happiness. Just repeat some simple statements after me, and you will have to close your eyes and keep your hands on your heart. And whatever I am saying, you will hear me and but not see me. I am going to switch off my video. Okay? You just have to see the on screen these four statements. These are the Hopnopno affirmations, Hopnopno statements. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And nothing else. At the end, you will have an experience called tears of happiness. This experience may bring tears in your eyes, but those tears will be of relief and happiness. As many buried emotions gently release right now, simply sit comfortably. Place your hands on your heart like this and close your eyes. Allow the music and my voice to guide you as you focus on your breath. Let yourself soften silently or aloud. Repeat these words: I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now gently picture your mother's face. See her eyes. See the love in them. Imagine her smiling at you. And if she is smiling, allow yourself to smile too. As you smile, say these words from your heart out loud: Mom, I'm really sorry. Sorry for not giving you enough time in my life. Sorry for judging you. Sorry for believing you didn't do enough for me. I am sorry. I am sorry, Mom. for not being the best daughter or son you deserved. Please forgive me for the times I didn't respect you. Please forgive me for not realizing how deeply you loved me and how many sacrifices you have made just for me. Please forgive me for every moment when my words were harsh, when I spoke to you without kindness. Thank you, Mom, for forgiving me despite everything. Thank you for believing in me even when I couldn't believe in myself. Thank you for everything you have ever done for me. I know I didn't say that enough, but I want to hear it now. I love you, Mom. I really, truly love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you for everything. I love you. Now pause for a moment and imagine how your mother receives your love when it's given this way, pure, honest, and open. Take a slow, deep breath. Now bring your father into your heart. Imagine his face. Imagine his smile. Keep your eyes closed, even if it feels difficult. As you remember your father, say this with me. I am sorry, Papa, for not understanding you. I am sorry. I am really sorry for the times I disrespected you. I am sorry for thinking you didn't do enough for me. Please forgive me for forgetting how many sacrifices you have made for me. Please forgive me for not giving you the time you deserved. Please forgive me for not understanding your love. Thank you, Papa, for giving me this life. It is more than enough. Thank you for loving me even when I couldn't understand that love. I love you, Papa. I always have. I am sorry. I never said it enough. Please forgive me. Thank you for everything. I love you. Now imagine how your father feels receiving your love. Feel it reaching him. Now bring your attention to your heart. Say your own name softly. For example, I say Kaushik, you say yours. I am sorry for leaving you alone. I am sorry for judging you harshly. I am sorry because I know I have been the one who criticizes you the most. Say your name again and tell yourself, please forgive me for not spending enough time with you. Please forgive me for not accepting you just as you are. Please forgive me for making you believe that love had to come from somewhere else. Thank you, my soul, my dear soul. Thank you for staying with me even now. Thank you for keeping me alive. I promise you, from this moment on, I will never leave you again. I will never leave you again. I accept you completely. I love you exactly as you are. Now cross your arms over your shoulders and hold yourself in a warm, gently hug. Rest your head softly to one side like a child being comforted. Slowly, lovingly rub your shoulders and say to yourself, I am really sorry. I am back now. I will never abandon you again. From now on, I am your life partner. From now on, I am your best friend. I will take care of you. I will always accept you. Feel the love in your arms. Because maybe this is what you were waiting for all along, your own forgiveness, your own love. Stay with that feeling for a few moments. Let it sink into every part of you. Slowly move your hands, gently open your eyes. Rub your hands together stronger, faster, and bring that energy onto your face. Now tell me, how did you feel? One word: amazing, blessed, divine, loved, or maybe cried a lot. Thank you.